welcome to the Learn Google Earth. Google Earth is a computer program that renders a 3D representation of Earth based primarily on satellite imagery. The program maps the Earth by superimposing satellite images, aerial photography, and GIS data onto a 3D globe, allowing users to see cities and landscapes from various angles. Let's learn how to measure distance in Google Earth. In this video, we are going to the India's one of the biggest cricket stadium, Wankhede Stadium. After watching this stadium, you might miss a legend. Yes, me too. But we are here to learn how to measure area. Let's say, I want to know how much grass to cover this specific rectangular ground. Here, I will go to the corner of the field and then once select measure in unit. Then I can select each corner of the field. Once we connect all the corner point, we can measure distance according to unit of our convenience. Lastly, be nice and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye, take care.